Holi and Bollywood, two things Indians take very seriously. And when the two come together, they create unforgettable magic. You have danced to Rang Barse, group to Holi Ke Din, and yes, somewhere between the colors and bhang, Khai Ke Paan Banaras Wala starts playing and suddenly the party hits a whole new high. But what if we told you that this beloved Holi anthem wasn't even meant to be in the movie Dawn? And it was all thanks to a toilet break. Strap in because this story is as colorful as Holi itself. The song that wasn't supposed to be. Released in 1978, Dawn is one of Amitabh Bachchan's most iconic films, a thriller packed with suspense, double roles, and unforgettable dialogues. But even thrillers need a breather, and that's where this song danced its way in. Khai Ke Paan Banaras Wala was originally composed for Banarsi Babu with Dev Anand, but was not used for unknown reasons. Enter director Chandra Barot, who while working on Dawn felt something was missing in the second half of the film. The tension was unrelenting and audiences needed a break literally. Manoj Kumar's toilet break tip. During a private screening of Dawn, Barot invited his close friend and superstar Manoj Kumar to watch the nearly finished version, and Manoj's feedback, not something you usually hear in a film review. The film is so tight you can't even take a toilet break, he joked. Jokes aside, he had a point. The film's pace left no room to breathe. That's when they gave Barot a simple piece of advice: add a song to break the tension. Taking this suggestion seriously, Barot and the music duo Kalyani ji Anand ji remembered the unreleased gem from Banarsi Babu and gave it a new life in Dawn. Enter the superstar, Bachchan's electrifying act. Once the song was added to Dawn, the rest, as they say, is history. Drenched in red pan, tinted lips, playful energy, and slick, carefree dance moves, Amitabh Bachchan owned the screen like never before. His performance brought an unexpected comic and festive flair to an otherwise intense narrative. Throw in Kishore Kumar's infectious voice, a lively chorus, and that unmistakable Banarsi vibe, and what you had was not just a song but a full-blown cultural moment. From misfit to mainstay, how it became a Holi anthem. Here's the twist. Khai Ke Paan Banaras Wala is not even a Holi song. There is no mention of gulal, no colored powders, no water balloons, but that hasn't stopped it from becoming a Holi playlist staple. Why? Because this song has everything Holi represents: fun, chaos, energy, desi flavor, and a little madness. Over the years, its rhythm and mood just synced so perfectly with the festival that it slid into our Holi traditions like it was meant to be there all along. Now, no Holi party feels complete without dancing to it, with pichkaris in one hand and thandai in another. Bollywood's accidental magic. Bollywood has a way of turning accidents into legends. Khai Ke Paan Banaras Wala was almost lost in time, but thanks to one of honest toilet break review from Manoj Kumar, it found a new home, a new star, and a new purpose. It's no longer just a song in a film, it's a tradition, a celebration, a holy ritual. So what can we learn from this? Sometimes the best memories in cinema and life come from the most unexpected places. A drop track, a casual suggestion, and a superstar willing to go all out created one of the most iconic musical moments in Indian film history. So the next time you are smearing colors and screaming, "Bura na mano Holi hai," remember it all began with a song that wasn't even supposed to be there, and a friend who just needed a bathroom break. A hero's final journey, Manoj Kumar cremated with the state honors. The final goodbye. On April 4th, 2025, Indian cinema lost a true legend, Manoj Kumar, aged 87. Popularly known as Bharat Kumar, his name became synonymous with patriotism on screen. The nation mourned as his last rites were performed on April 5th, 2025, with full state honors in Mumbai, and nation-pays tribute. The actor's mortal remains were brought from Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital to his residence. An ambulance adorned with flowers carried him for the final time, surrounded by emotions and memories. The tricolor wrapped around his body reflected the very spirit he portrayed in films. At Pavan Hunt's crematorium, Ville Parle, he was given a guard of honor fitting for the man who lived and breathed Bharat on screen. Bollywood's emotional farewell. A host of film personalities arrived to bid him goodbye. Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan, Salim Khan, among others, were present. His wife Shashi Goswami was seen weeping beside him as close family and friends stood in silence. The film industry, once inspired by these stories, now stood still in his memory. The rise of Bharat Kumar. Born on 24th July 1937 in Abbottabad, now in Pakistan, after partition, his family moved to Delhi, where his dreams of cinema began. Adopted the screen name Manoj Kumar after being inspired by Dilip Kumar's character in Shabnam. His break came with films like Shaheed 1965. His portrayal of Bhagat Singh still echoes in history. Upkar 1967, a heartfelt tribute to farmers and soldiers inspired by Lal Bahadur Shastri's slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. With films like Purab or Pachim and Kranti, he created a new cinematic identity that celebrated India's culture, roots and pride. Beyond acting, the director and storyteller. Directed Upkar, which won the National Film Award for Second Best Feature Film. His films often focus on nation building, morality and common man's struggles. Notable directorial works: Purab aur Pachim 1970, Roti Kapda aur Makan 1974, Kranti 1981, celebrated with honor. Awarded the Padma Shri in 1992 for his contributions to Indian cinema. Received the Dada Saab Phalke Award in 2015, the highest honor in Indian film. A living legend turned timeless icon. A legacy etched in every Indian heart. His on-screen presence instilled national pride during times of change. Generations grew up watching his films, feeling a deep-rooted connection to the country. His dialogues still resonate. Mere Desh Ki Dharti Sona Ugle is not just a song but an emotion. The end of an era. As his mortal remains turned to ashes, an entire era in Indian cinema faded into history. His passing marks the end of a golden chapter, but his legacy remains immortal. Rest in peace, Manoj Kumar. Bharat Kumar forever. You lived for the nation. You will live in its heart.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.